All right, all you lovely, beautiful people. Wifey and I, speaking of that, Wifey and I just had a fun live stream. It is Sunday, fun day in Las Vegas. October 30th, we're watching some NFL.
October 30th?
And October 20th, I said, right? Or what did I say? Anyway, and we're here with Mo Mummy. We have $30 of free play, and we had a ticket. We had an epic major win earlier on Ultimate Firelink. If you're not watching our live streams, you are missing out on some fun. But we won $715 or something on a 150 bet on Ultimate Firelink. Just we got the Firelink feature, then the Firelink ball came over here and revealed itself as the major for like 715. And the rest of the bonus was really fun too. Then we had a nice little live stream, about to have some lunch with some friends. And we decided to come use our free play over here. Maybe go to the Venetian a little bit later. But we're bouncing around all over Vegas today. Yes, bouncing into our wallet would have been nice there, Mr. Mummy. But we did have a crazy, nice high limit room win on Mo Mummy. Remember that, Wifey? How smart it was to go to that machine. We only put in a 20 just for fun because we were playing Baozu in the high limit room. And then we put in, that 20 was gone. And then we put in a 5 after that, or it was like, we had enough for like one more spin. And then that 5 ended up giving us like a $300 something bonus. So people are screaming, something happened. 49ers are playing the Chiefs. Speaking of Las Vegas, that's where the Super Bowl was this last season. And those are the two teams that were competing against one another. And that is who's playing tonight, today, whatever it is. Let's go with this. This is our lucky bet. Haywire. Nothing of the sort. Okay. Oh!
Is this the machine you won the maxi on last time or no?
No, that was over there, I think. I don't know if that was even here. No, that was in Red Rock. Yeah, it all blurs together. All right, we're done with our free play. Now, real play. I mean, it's still real play. We earned that money. Bam! Oh, it's right there. I'm furious. There's the, now, oh, again? Top right again? At least it didn't peek and trick us this one time. Okay. You can come through and do something nice for us, Mr. Mummy. None of that is happening. So we came to this one. Look how big the grand. I've never seen a grand that big. There was another machine that were playing at Suncoast, and the grand was like 14,000. Now this machine just had the grand reset. Just like I think a few months ago we saw it. It was like 8,000. It's gone up. This must be because we love coming to this machine too. This must be a super popular machine because it just seems like that grand gets hit quite frequently because it's always around like 8,000, 8,300, blah, blah, blah. But this time, it has not been hit for quite a while. Excuse me, nothing has happened here. Let's go back here now. Yes. We haven't had a random one for a while. Right? Like just a gem popping it for us. Oh, he was right there too. Do it now. How perfect would that timing have been? Oh yeah? You sure? Okay. He was sure. He was sure mean. Oh, did it say 666 before this? It said 666 before that. Who knows? You made Wifey laugh at me. That is very rude, Mr. Mummy. You embarrassed me in front of her. Oh? Let's do this. What if it wants to do this? What if it gave us that for this? 225 now. Maybe. No. Okay. Well, should we try emergency 20, backup 20? Let's try the emergency backup 20. We'll back in 1 sec. All right, guys, there's no emergency backup 20 because we only have hundreds and fives and we want to go get lunch with our friend, but we have an emergency 5, which is what made our live stream so epic earlier today. So let's see if it can happen 2 for 2 times. Like we had a little bit left over. Instead of cashing out, let's put in 5 more. Let's see. Okay, the line hit. We're on to something here. This is the start of something great. Wow, our 5 is almost back on that one spin. Now, cash collect. That was not a cash collect. I hear something happening over there. Oh, now is a chance. Yes. There was nothing to cheer about there, and I apologize. Excuse me. Really, wow. Wifey just like side note says my feet are so comfy in these shoes. As I'm getting my dreams crushed. Yes, here it is. Oh! Here it is though.
Wow.
I am gonna go cry, but we're gonna get lunch and we're gonna try again soon. Bad boy mummy, last spin, of course that happens. Right there. Wrong one to get excited about, and then it didn't show up here. I thought I was gonna swing it back around and come back, but I don't need to explain. We saw what we saw. We're gonna go watch some more of these games. It's a beautiful Sunday, sunny day in Las Vegas. Thank you for hanging out with us. Bad boy mommy, we'll come back for revenge. See you guys again really quick. Alrighty friends, we were just playing Mo Mummy, and we already won a ridiculous, unexpected major on Ultimate Fire Link. We thought, why not? That looks good. It's a hand pay instantly. This is filled. And we used our $50 of slot play, put in $100 of our own money. Where are we? What bid is this? 5? Okay. $375. Right away. 2 more. Oh, what the hell was that? What an exciting but mean first spin. We were 2 away and then 1 away. Let's do a couple more here, I guess. Yeah. 2 more. That was something to behold.
Oh my God.
$375 first, and that could have been the major right away, but it was major heartbreak. Yeah, let's go. It was interesting to see because we started with 100 and now we have 102, so that's how much we've gotten so far from it. Let's see if it wants to give a little baby bonus first. It's not, I don't know, some people say play the ones with maxed out majors because it's due to hit. You might as well play the one that's due to hit. I also think that it's not hitting. That's why it's so maxed out. So, I don't know. There's different theories. Of course, if the machine's gonna pay anyway, it's gonna pay. So you might as well win the major when it's humongous. But, I don't know. I find to win a small one if it's like more likely to happen. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? All right, well, wifey at the helm, she just bouncing all over the place. Let's see. Okay. It went up and then it went back down. That's rude. See, look at this. It goes up and then down. Okay. Yes, that one's fine. Okay, so how much have we won so far with our 50? Oh my God, that would have been good. We've won $5 with our $50 in free play. Moose. Meese. How do you say it?
The song about the moose?
That's right. I remember that song now. Thank you. I won't repeat it. What were you planning on going to? Were you saying something?
Yeah, I was gonna put it on the 5.
Oh, so we're gonna have 375. Instead, we got this one. All right, so we'll take it. Now we have a chance for that major. Let's win another crazy major today, okay? Wifey, you ready? Big, bigger, huge. Yes, keep going. How many more are coming? Oh my God, so many came. Keep going. Yes. Oh, 2. Okay. We got this. No, it tricked me, but it was good. Oh, and it goes to 6. We like it. We love it. There's no real huge one. There's a $15 one up there, but the major is lurking somewhere. Beautiful. Let's go. This one's always tricky, and all the other ones we played. And it's showing mini right now, so, oh, there we go. All right, let's go up. Let's keep making more room. Oh, what was that? Oh, big one's up there. It made a big old thud. That is why. Okay, let's get up there. We have a goal in mind. Yes, $20 one. Yes, thank you very much. And this one. We want that one to hit. Those 2 coins were glorious. This one, we hate you. Yes. Oh. Oh, thank goodness for coming and joining our party. Now, 3 more. There's so much room, but I, for some reason, want this one only. Because that one's closest to my eye, okay? Whew. Okay, okay, yes. Oh, yes, 1. Yes, 2, 6 free spins.
That's the one you want.
That's the one I wanted. This one as a green money buffalo square, but instead we'll take 6 beautiful more free spins, wifey. Let's go. Oh my God, another big one up there. Come on, downstairs. Oh, random coin. Now it just appeared with a coin instead. Sorry, I pushed the button because I got excited. Okay, one more. Bring it back over here. Okay, okay. Let's teach Mo Mummy who has the better green bonus. Excuse me? Okay, thank you. Thank you. We don't know why those coins came out from, come on. This guy right here has been very, very rude. Yes, nice Wolfie, nice doggy. Oh, I heard something. Okay, yes, thank you. Now down here. Oh, it keeps tricking me down here. I don't know why I want that one. I feel that is a key for something down there. If we're gonna just get it, obviously it's good. Yes, that's what we're obviously looking at. I'm not even looking at that. How many of these can swing by without? I am furious.
It's such a tease up there.
It's such a tease. It's like hundreds something up there and the chance for many more. Okay. Wow, wow. Cool, cool, cool. Thank you. All right. Hey, our $50 in free play, we still have $10 of it. Turned into, we popped that beautiful big bonus meter.
There we go.
Let's do some more of it, okay? Do it again. We only have $8 left. We already activated it, so we have to play it out. I'll take some line hits in the middle, though. Man, that was so, there were so many things happening right there. Yes, 2. Okay. All right, that was our free play. Let's do one more with our own money. Oh my goodness, 3 more. Okay, the trickery is real. We're gonna run, we're gonna escape, and that $50 of points or whatever we had from our play turned into $58 about. No major right here, but we'll appreciate it. We were at that silly Mo Mummy game that's all the way over there, and it was fun, it was good, but he was a bad boy, and now here we are. Yeah, thank you. Buffalo, you have the better green bonus, better in cash collect. I'll say that for now, but we'll find out which one is better in the next session, right, wifey? She's nodding yes. She's like, I'm hungry to hurry the heck up, let's go. And I agree. All right, guys, thank you for watching. All right, friends, we're here with wifey. Story continued. Let's see if my theory is good. This machine just looked like it hit the bonus, so we are ready to do it again.
Just one.
Just one what?
1 5.
You were saying something?
You were saying something?
You got a $50 mini because I'm smart. I told you. I told you it just popped. I told you first spin. I'm a genius. I said let's play the machines that look like they just hit because they're in a pay cycle. And she's like, no, it just popped. We can't win on it now.
My son did.
Don't ever listen to that theory, okay? Because we got a $50 mini on the first bet. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go.
And my chocolate.
Yeah, your chocolate. Oh, there's a lot of other progressives in there. Oh, see, the last time we didn't see a prize boost.
Oh.
It can boost the progressives, I'm pretty sure. Mini.
Times 20,000.
Times 20,000, yes. Times 20,000. What's up with these tiny baby values? Oh, mini, it keeps floating in there. Okay, thank you.
Oh, those are the 3,000.
There was a, yeah, and a minor, which is 125. Okay. Oh, there was a huge one, you're right. The mini. Oh, more. Okay, it gets the red when it's good, I guess. Okay. Well, my theory stands correct soon. Whoa, okay. Pretty much a double up right away. I love it when a plan that I'm so genius comes together. I'm very worried about this music being copyright right now. It's so loud and so popular music.
So popular.
It's so popular music-y. Yes. All right, good job.
So if you have the fluffy thing on there, does it must
It still will. It'll just like if you're outside and it's windy, then of course it'll muffle. Interesting. Interest.
It doesn't change
The progression? No. I mean, it changes your odds. That's one thing it changes.
no, but like the balloon.
Oh.
This is probably what he was playing.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Let's go. Yeah, because they'll say the triple just had happened. Okay. Yes. No. Not yet. Okay.
Might have been the trick.
That trick just one bonus and then see you later. I mean, there's a chance. We didn't stay at the one that just gave us the bonus. So there's a chance that happens. What's the wild? No, he's the higher paying symbol like the other person was. That's wild, the little doggy, dragon doggy. What is this? Okay. Yeah, I think we should move, but I think also staying at the same bet is good. Like, if we're just dropping at 70 cents or something, it's not really doing anything because that bet worked, you
It
know.
wasn't giving line hits.
We did 2 spins on it. We did 1 spin and it was a bonus, but I don't think we should like stay on it if you don't feel like it. Oh, that would have been nice. Okay, so I think we're just gonna take this because the music is way too loud and there's too much cigarette smoke right here. We'll take that little win, but my theory still holds correct. Let's go find another one. All right, friends, so we've traveled a very far distance. I would walk 500 miles for another first spin bonus. This one has a huge major. So let's go same bet. Wifey's Baozu bet is new Baozu. Wow, that was loud. Is new Baozu better than old Baozu? Yes. Oh, well the blue is very big. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh my God, just reverse those. Remember how big it was in the other time we played it? It was so huge. Okay. Okay. We'll take one now. Oh, I guess we can take one now. Do we even have a 160? Oh. Oh. No. Oh no, we have a one. Yes, this one. Oh, there's a chance. Oh, no chance. Okay.
Freak accident here.
That was a freak accident thing, or that was just perfect timing and my intelligent strategy? All right, let's go find another machine.